This video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can easily create videos that looks exactly like this right here. So right here, guys, you want to simply just learn how you can easily create trending Instagram and YouTube videos that looks exactly like this right here. So right here, guys, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how you can easily do that. So guys, you want to simply go onto flicky.ai, whereby Flicky helps you transform your ideas into stunning videos with our AI video generator. This is a very easy to use text to video editor, featuring lifelike voiceovers, dynamic AI video clips, and many more. So right here, guys, simply start for free, and it's going to take you right onto this page right here, whereby you simply click onto new file. So right here, guys, you put in your file name. So I might just make use to be this my file name. You select your language, your dialect, the aspect ratio, and you click onto submit right here, and it's going to take you right onto this page. So guys, all you want to simply do, you want to simply start writing. Now you can easily just ask ChatGPT to write a poetry quiz lines, or you simply go onto Pinterest and search for poetry quiz lines. So guys, I want to simply make use of this right here. So you go onto Flicky and click onto start writing. So you can easily just paste in that right here. As you can see, it's pasting. You can also make use of Magic Create, whereby you can make use of idea, blog, PPT, tweets, and many more right there. But right here, guys, I've been able to paste in my ideas right here. So guys, the next thing you want to do is to select your layout. So you tap onto layout right here. So right here, guys, we have the stock library, my library, and go on to the generate option. So we want to simply generate images for our scene right there. So guys, you want to simply put in this as an instruction, then you paste in your prompts right there. So guys, once you're done, you go into the style section. We have the 3D model cinematic right here. Let's simply make use of digital art and click on to generate. So right here, guys, this is it. So you can easily just tap onto this right here, and we have been able to add that right there to our layout. Now you simply go on to the next section right here. You go on to the scene 2. So guys, all you want to do, tap on the layout section, go on to generate, put in the same instruction right here, which is the neutral abstract painting, and put in your prompt, and you want to simply do that for all of the scene available. So right here, guys, that is it. So once you're done with this, the next thing, guys, you want to simply go into your voiceover section. So right here, guys, on the voiceover, there are tons of voices that you can easily select from. You can simply go into the gender and select the gender voice you want. I'm going to make use of female voice. So guys, let's simply make use of this particular voice, and I'm just going to scroll down right here and click onto apply to all voiceover and click onto select right there. So this is processing, and this particular voiceover has been added right here. So guys, you can easily increase the volume, the speed, and your subtitle right here. So once you're done with this, you can easily go onto the background audio and add in some background music. But guys, I prefer you simply just add in your own background music by downloading from the YouTube audio library, Envato Elements, and many more. So guys, once you're done creating your video, let's simply preview this video to see how it actually looks like. So guys, this is it right here, and it's looking so amazing. So if you simply go into the download section right here, start on to exporting your file right here, and that's your file will be exported, and you get notified via email once your file is done creating. So guys, this is how you can easily create trending videos that looks exactly like this for your Instagram reels, YouTube videos, and you are able to get 1 million views, because this type of video is the kind that is trending right here on the social media platform. So guys, simply try out the step that I have showed you right here in this video if you want to simply create AI trending videos that looks like this.